Here we are again, Crimping Garage. We got a 2002 Pathfinder. I think Snoop Dogg sang a song about Pathfinders, didn't he? Yeah. All right, well, I guess they're looking for a path. We're gonna try to find it. We've got a skip going on. We put a coil pack in it, and somebody snatched the wires out of the pigtail. So we've got a pigtail here. Oh, right here. Here we go. Import direct. There it is, right there. Yep, that happened. All right. Yeah, we're gonna see how this thing works, guys. All right, here we go. Here's the plug that they have snatched out. We're hoping this fixes it. If I can. What is all this? What is this and this and this and this and this? There's no need for all this. Somebody get me a hacksaw so I can cut this stuff out of the way. No, maybe not. All right. Okay. Does anybody know what direction these wires go in? Because I'm confused. Because the new one, I guess we could look at one of the old ones. Oh yeah, here we go. No, we're probably not gonna do that. Okay. Where's it going to the harness at? Okay. Back over here. Back over here. Okay. All right, we're gonna have to pull one of the other ones off so we can see, make sure that we got the right.
It's already right. That should be right.
Are you sure?
I've already looked at it. Look at number 2 right here. See, there's number 2. There.
Okay, yeah. It's red on the right. Oh, shine a light down in here. Red, and then the green's on the left.
Well,
red, black in the middle. Okay, I'm down with that. Red's on the right. Red's on the right. Black's in the middle. Okay. See, I don't know what happened here. Is it supposed to... Oh, it's a little clippity-doo-dah back in there, isn't it?
You're soldering.
First thing we need to do is split this thing open like we're gutting a deer in the field. But I don't have a sharp knife, so...
You want a sharp knife? I got a sharp knife.
No.
My knife is really sharp.
A dull knife will cut you quicker than a sharp knife. Because you got to put way more pressure on a dull knife. Okay. Alright, what we're going to do is... What's number 1? Uno. Is that because that's number 1? Okay. Let me go get some stuff. I'll be right back. First things first, we got to cut these things off. We're going to start with the red one. We're going to whack her off. Boop. Just like that. Take our skinners. Or some people say, strippers. Always put your heat shrink on first before you do anything else. So you got your heat shrink on. We're going to put them together. Some people do this different ways than others. Always put it together. Twist it a little bit. I've got my fancy tool here. It's going to hold it for me. A loving father made this tool. Hey Dad. I know he's probably going to be watching this video, so give a shout out to my dad. Taught me everything I know. Everything I know. All right. See, once we know the tip's hot, we'll shake it. Now watch this. I'm going to put it underneath the wire in this little cradle. We're going to heat the wire up, and the wire will start taking the solder. See there? See the wire soaking solder. Nothing prettier than watching copper soak up solder. I've had these things for probably 20 years. Channel lock stake-ons. And I was crimping something the other day, and she said, pop! And I broke it right off. Look at that. Brute strength, baby. Look who's calling, everybody. Old Pops. You get your heat shrink on here. We'll make sure we get it centered on where we soldered it together, and without burning your fingers off, shrink it right on there. Alright, there's that one. Let's just hope it works now. I would say to use the 10mm, but I always use the 10mm in case I don't use it all. Get you a socket. Roll the tape on there backwards. It's aggravating to get started. And I'll show you what we can do. Look at here. Once you get it where it'll, and I'm going to show you, you're saying, why is he rolling black tape on a socket backwards? You just wait. Your mind is fixing to be blown away. I mean, you're going to be like, why didn't I think about this years ago?
Or you're going to be like, hey, I knew that.
Hey, you might. This is the way they do it at factory. This is going to be factory. You ever seen them nice pretty wire looms? It's really beautiful. Watch this. You saying, what are you talking about? Watch this. Your mind is getting blowed right now. I know it is. I know you're like, I've never seen anybody wrap something so neat and so nice. This is how they do it in the factory. I'm telling you, there's a guy in Japan right now rolling black tape on a socket backwards. Do they still make a Pathfinder? I don't know. I'm not crazy about Nissans because the transmissions give trouble.
Just
sometimes they don't even give trouble. Maybe they just go to the back.
Google it.
There it is right there, guys. Now we're going to reach it back in here if we can get to it. Oh, she clicked. Look at there. Done. Alright, guys. This is Chip, Christmas Garage, once again. If she's giving trouble, she's probably going to the bad. Laid back, with my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling in my Pathfinder. Maybe it wasn't Snoop Dogg who sang about a Pathfinder.
You need to keep your day job.
Oh no.